Hanbin pulled down the grenade and slowed down, but he threw the grenade under his feet. The female squad leader quickly pulled him out of the smoke, and almost exploded into a bomb. The female squad leader was so angry that she immediately punished Hanbin with 50 push-ups. I thought Hanbin would correct this, but this was just the beginning of a nightmare. The US military has newly developed a rocket gun, which is just assigned to Hanbin's troops, but Hanbin didn't understand the instructions on the gun. The female squad leader just finished the demonstration, and Hanbin carried the rocket gun back in the next second. Even the US military officer who aimed at the mouth of the gun, so Hanbin was punished with 100 push-ups again. Hanbin was exhausted, but he still didn't wake up. Hanbin raised his left hand and was the first to take the mock exam, but because of his poor strength, he was killed by the female squad leader in one round. So Hanbin was punished with 300 push-ups again. The combat power has been reduced to the bare minimum. This sent the front line to die. The US military officer could only send Hanbin to deliver water in the logistics, but Hanbin still lost his chain. The US military delivery vehicle team just entered the death desert. Hanbin's truck fell off because of the foam, but Hanbin was surprised to see it when he was repairing the car. There was a sudden explosion in the front of the vehicle team. The armed man in the truck suddenly woke up. The foam truck with the armor-piercing machine gun is full of ashes. The truck is about to explode. Hanbin jumped on the truck behind him. He quickly drove back with one foot. He managed to save a truck before the explosion, so the whole team didn't die directly. The 4 US troops could only drive the supply truck and continue to cross the death desert to deliver water. But Hanbin's disaster was obviously not over yet. Hanbin was surprised to find the truck sinking in the sand.